How to fix VALORANT could not start and VALORANT not launching error? First step, restart your device, close VALORANT and Riot client, then restart your device. Once the restore complete, after move on with next step. Open Riot client, click profile account, click settings. This page will appear. In this, click VALORANT and click repair and start repair. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will rectify it. So be patient, wait for until it become 100%. Once it complete, after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK, then move on with next step. Disable compatibility mode. Right click, VALORANT, click properties, click compatibility. If the compatibility mode is enabled, means you need to disable it. It's important settings. And enable the run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows security. Click it. Click protection history and check the protection history. Check anything related to real client and VALORANT was blocked in this location. You need to check this. Then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text: services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And one more time right click and click restart. Close it. Then the next step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. It's actually scanning your C drive. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will remove it. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it, then move on with next step. The last and final step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for VALORANT and Riot client. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled, means you can enable it. If the application not having, means you need to click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot games. VALORANT, you get the VALORANT application. Riot client, you get the Riot client application. Click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and click OK in the bottom side. Close it and restart the device.